the Meritz Roadster 3 S731. This compact mini three-wheeled electric scooter is a convenient, agile and comfortable solution for your mobility needs. The S731 is designed around the ideas of travel and portability, and its key feature is its ability to disassemble into 5 lighter pieces for better transport and storage. With a carrying capacity of 118 kilograms or 260 pounds, a range of 9.6 kilometers or 6 miles, and its handy modular design, the S731 is built around convenience and portability. The S731 features a loop tiller with throttle levers that can easily be controlled by palms or fingers. The tiller is fully adjustable and can tilt back for a more ergonomic driving position. This also makes getting on and off easier. The top of the dashboard features the standard speed control, battery gauge and key ignition, as well as headlight and horn controls. Under the tiller is an extra charging port, which makes charging easier because it is easier to reach than the charging port directly on the battery. However, the S731's standout feature is its modular design. To disassemble the scooter, first remove the basket. Next, remove the seat by pulling up on the lever on the right side, while at the same time lifting the seat. Remove the battery pack. Simply lift it off the base. The battery connects to the scooter via electrical leads on the base of the scooter, so there are no cluttered cables to worry about. Push the tiller lever down and fold the tiller all the way back and release the button, which will lock the tiller again automatically. Finally, to separate the back section from the front section, first press down on the release lever and then lift the front by pulling up on the seat post. To assemble the scooter, simply reverse the process. Align the front and back sections and push them together until the release lever pops back up. Next, lift the tiller while pushing the tiller release lever. Place the battery back in its place. You can make sure it's properly connected by quickly turning on the scooter. Next, put the seat back by holding the side lever up while lowering the seat into the seat post. Finally, attach the basket. This three-wheeled scooter has no equal when it comes to maneuverability. It can easily make tight turns in small spaces. The rear drive power unit is equipped with an intelligent braking system, which electromagnetically prevents unwanted rolling while stationary. It is also regenerative, which means it recovers the kinetic energy lost while braking and feeds this power back into the batteries, thereby extending the range of the scooter. To disengage the motors and allow the scooter to be pushed like a standard wheelchair, simply employ the freewheel lever in the back of the power base. 2 small rear coaster wheels add additional stability, especially when disassembling the scooter. All 3 wheels are equipped with foam-filled polyurethane tires, making flat tires a thing of the past. The seat is equipped with armrests that can flip up for easier access. They can also be adjusted horizontally to maximize rider comfort. Finally, the back is equipped with a mount for optional accessories such as a cane holder or canopy. The Meritz Roadster 3 S731 is a nimble and capable electric scooter. Its simple yet effective design offers a great combination of features and convenience, while its modular construction opens a world of possibilities.